What legal rights do Latino immigrants have to avoid deportation? What legal rights do Latino immigrants have to avoid deportation? This is a question that many families are asking, especially in today's climate. Understanding these rights is essential for anyone navigating the immigration system. Latino immigrants in the United States have specific legal rights that can help them stay in the country. These rights can vary based on individual circumstances and immigration status. One of the most important rights is the right to legal representation. If you are facing deportation, you can have an attorney representing you in immigration court. However, unlike in criminal cases, the government does not provide a public defender. This means that finding legal help is crucial for building a strong defense. Another important right is the right to a hearing. If you are in removal proceedings, you have the opportunity to present your case to an immigration judge. During this hearing, you can apply for relief options such as asylum, cancellation of removal, or adjustment of status. This is your chance to explain why you should be allowed to stay in the United States. Latino immigrants also have protections against expedited removal. This fast-track deportation process can affect individuals who cannot prove they have lived in the U.S. for at least 2 years, or those caught near the border. If you fear persecution or torture upon returning to your home country, you have the right to challenge this process. There are various relief options available that can help avoid deportation. For instance, asylum can protect those fleeing persecution based on race, religion, or political opinion. Temporary protected status allows individuals from certain countries experiencing conflict or disaster to live and work legally for a limited time. Deferred action for childhood arrivals provides temporary protection for individuals brought to the U.S. as children. Additionally, cancellation of removal is available for long-term residents with good moral character. Some may even qualify for adjustment of status to become permanent residents. However, recent policy changes have made it more challenging for Latino families. Increased enforcement and expanded deportation rules can create a heightened risk for families, especially those with undocumented members. Proposed policies may also limit funding for legal aid programs, making it harder for immigrants to access necessary legal support. For parents raising Latino children, knowing your rights is vital. Families should be informed about their legal rights, including the right to remain silent during encounters with immigration officials and the right to request an attorney. Seeking legal assistance early can provide crucial help in understanding options and preparing defenses against deportation. It is also important to document residency and family ties. Keeping records that prove continuous residence and community connections can support applications for relief. Engaging with community resources is another way to access legal aid and Know Your Rights workshops tailored to Latino immigrant families. Lastly, having a plan for emergencies is essential. Parents should prepare for the possibility of detention or deportation by designating caregivers for their children and ensuring access to important documents. In summary, Latino immigrants have legal rights to defend against deportation, including the right to legal representation and the ability to apply for various forms of relief. Understanding these rights and accessing community resources is essential for protecting families and supporting children's well-being.